Knee rehabilitation exercises. Knee rehabilitation exercises are designed to help patients recover and safely return to daily activities after a knee injury or surgery. As knee strength, flexibility, and movement gradually improve, patients can slowly resume more demanding activities, including sports and physical training. In this video, we demonstrate a complete conditioning program that focuses on the muscles surrounding the knee joint. The routine includes both stretching and strengthening exercises to improve stability, flexibility, and muscle control. Most rehabilitation programs are followed for approximately 4 to 6 weeks, or according to your doctor's recommendations. Muscles involved. These exercises mainly target several important muscle groups around the knee and hip area, including quadriceps muscles at the front of the thigh, hamstring muscles at the back of the thigh, hip abductors on the outer thigh, hip adductors on the inner thigh, gluteus maximus and gluteus medius muscles in the buttocks, and gastrocnemius muscle, commonly known as the calf muscle. Before starting any rehabilitation program, speak with your doctor or physical therapist about the proper technique and the appropriate number of repetitions for your condition. If you experience pain during any exercise, stop immediately and consult your doctor. Begin each session with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up using a low-impact activity, such as walking or stationary cycling. Stretching exercises. Quadriceps stretch. This stretch focuses on the quadriceps muscles located at the front of the thigh. Stand upright and hold the back of a chair for balance. Bend one knee and bring your heel toward your buttock. Hold your ankle with your hand and gently pull the heel closer until you feel a stretch in the front of the thigh. Keep your back straight during the stretch. Hold the position for 30 seconds, then repeat on the opposite leg. Perform 2 to 3 repetitions on each side. Lying hamstring stretch. This exercise stretches the hamstring muscles at the back of the thigh. Lie flat on your back with both knees bent. Raise one leg upward while holding the back of your thigh with both hands. Gently pull the leg toward your head while keeping the knee as straight as possible. Maintain the stretch for 30 to 60 seconds, then repeat on the other side. Perform 2 to 3 stretches for each leg.
Calf stretch. This exercise targets the calf muscles and Achilles tendon. Stand facing a wall with one leg forward and slightly bent. Keep the back leg straight and both heels flat on the floor. Place your hands on the wall for support and slowly lean your pelvis forward without arching your back. You should feel a stretch in the calf and Achilles tendon of the back leg. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, relax for another 30 seconds, and repeat 4 times on each side. Strengthening exercises. Strengthening exercises should generally be performed 4 to 5 times per week. A typical session starts with stretching exercises, followed by strengthening exercises, and ends with stretching again. Half squats. This exercise strengthens the quadriceps, hamstrings, and gluteal muscles. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and extend your arms forward for balance. Slowly lower your hips as if sitting in a chair, lowering only about 10 inches. Avoid leaning forward and keep your weight on your heels. Hold the position for 5 seconds, then press through your heels to return to standing. Repeat 10 times. As strength improves, progress to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Calf raises. This exercise strengthens the calf muscles. Stand upright while holding a chair or wall for support. Lift one foot off the floor so your weight is supported by the other leg. Slowly rise onto your toes as high as possible, then lower your heel back down. Repeat the movement 10 times before switching legs. As you progress, aim for 2 sets of 10 repetitions. Hamstring curls. This exercise strengthens the hamstring muscles. Stand upright while holding a chair or wall for support. Bend one knee and lift your heel upward toward your buttock as far as possible. Hold for 5 seconds, then slowly lower the leg down. Repeat 10 times before changing sides. As your strength improves, increase to 3 sets of 10 repetitions, and consider adding ankle weights for extra resistance. Leg extensions. This exercise focuses on strengthening the quadriceps muscles. Sit on a chair with your back straight. Slowly extend one leg forward until the knee becomes straight, while tightening the thigh muscles. Hold the position for 5 seconds, then slowly lower the leg down.
Repeat 10 times before switching to the other leg. Progress to 3 sets of 10 repetitions as tolerated. Ankle weights may also be added for additional resistance. Supine leg raises. This exercise strengthens the quadriceps muscles.
Lie on your back and support yourself on your elbows beneath your shoulders. Bend one knee with the foot flat on the floor while keeping the other leg straight. Lift the straight leg approximately 6 to 10 inches off the floor while tightening the thigh muscles. Lower the leg slowly back down. Repeat 10 times, then switch legs. As strength increases, progress to 3 sets of 10 repetitions and use ankle weights if needed. Prone leg raises. This exercise targets the hamstrings and gluteal muscles. Lie on your stomach with your face resting on your arms. Keeping the legs straight, lift one leg upward as far as comfortable. Hold for 5 seconds, then lower the leg and rest briefly before repeating. Perform 10 repetitions on each side. As your muscles become stronger, increase to 3 sets of 10 repetitions and add ankle weights for greater resistance. Hip abduction. This exercise strengthens the hip abductors and gluteus medius muscles. Lie on your side with the lower knee bent. Keep the upper leg straight and slowly raise it sideways to approximately 45 degrees. Hold for 5 seconds, then lower the leg and rest for 2 seconds. Repeat 20 times before switching sides. As strength improves, increase to 3 sets of 20 repetitions and add ankle weights for greater resistance. Hip adduction. This exercise strengthens the inner thigh muscles. Lie on your side with both legs straight. Cross the top leg over the lower leg and place the foot flat on the floor. Keeping the lower leg straight, raise it about 6 to 8 inches off the ground. Hold for 5 seconds, then slowly lower it and rest briefly before repeating. Repeat 20 times before changing sides. As strength improves, increase to 3 sets of 20 repetitions and add ankle weights for extra resistance. Leg press with elastic band. This exercise strengthens the quadriceps, hamstrings, and hip muscles using an elastic resistance band. Lie flat on your back with your elbows bent while holding both ends of the elastic band in your hands. Place the middle of the band around the arch of one foot while keeping your knee bent toward your chest. Slowly press your foot forward against the resistance of the band until the leg becomes nearly straight, then slowly return to the starting position.